Hi everyone, this is Marco Cadiz from BSIT2J and I'm here to present my final project in event-driven programming. So ngayon, I've created a court reservation dito sa Barangay Bagong Silang. And then for the first tab, dito makikita yung data grid view kung saan makikita yung number, first name, last name, reservation date, start date, end date, start time, end time nung reservation. So dito naka-record lahat ng reservations. Dito sa forms, dito naman tayo magdadagdag ng reservation. So let's get started. Dito sa starts date, reservation. Diyan. Moran. Tapos ang reservation date is 30. Start time 4 p.m. And then end time is 10 p.m. And date. Then ayan, nandiyan na. Save na ngayon si Ja. And then ayan na yung start date, end date, start time, end time. Nandiyan na sa data grid view. And then ni-retrieve natin dito papunta sa data grid view. And then halimbawa i-edit if ever na may mali. Anthony Edwards. And then ang reservation date niya pala is 29. So ayun, okay na. Anthony Edwards. Updated na siya sa pangalan niya sa reservation. Then lastly sa operations natin is yung delete. One click and then deleted na. And then next, delete. That's it for my simple cart reservation system here in Barangay Bagong Silang, San Pedro.